All right, the next piece I'm going to do over here is the slider. So here's the slider. I'm going to continue with my procedure by making a new part studio. I'm going to name it slider. All right, and I'm actually going to draw this one. How do I want to draw this one? I'm going to draw it from the side, I think. So I'm going to draw that triangle part first because there's a lot of detail there. I'm going to just draw this. This line should be 25. And then I'm going to draw a line up here, a line here, and a line here. These two lines must be parallel. Very important. So those two lines must be parallel. All right. This angle between here and here should be 76. And I think I might have put a bad constraint on, but we'll see. This should be 76. It's going to yell at me. Okay, so I hit perpendicular, I guess, instead of parallel. Like these should be parallel. I might have hit perpendicular earlier. So anyway, these two angles should be 76. So that's 76 and that's 76. And then the overall height here from here to here, this should be 25. So that gets that all right. So we got 25 at the base, 25 for the height, 76 here and here, and these two lines are parallel. I'm gonna hit finish sketch. I'm gonna extrude that 50. I'm going to extrude this 50. There we go. And then the last thing, I have to put my hole in here. So I'm just going to use the circle tool to do that. I'm going to get right on that center. I want to make sure it's centered. So I'm actually not going to grab this line because I'm not sure if that line is my center. I've got the correct dimension. So this hole is going to be 8. And then I do want it to be from this edge to be 6.27. Now it looks like it's actually a little off of this line because depending on where you drew it, if your center point's not on the center point of that line, you've got issues. So I've got that, and then I want it to be centered the other way. So from here to here is much easier. This is 25. All right, in doing that, I can finish my sketch up, and I can extrude and remove this down to 20 millimeters. All right, and I'm gonna leave the color for this. I'm just gonna change the part name to slider. So there we go. There is your slider.